You've heard of ChatGPT, Midjourney, maybe even 11 Labs. But what if I told you there are 7 under-the-radar AI tools quietly being used right now to dominate YouTube, launch faceless brands, and build automated empires for free or next to nothing? This is the unfair advantage. Let's go. First up, PickLumen, Midjourney's lesser-known rival, but free. Generate cinematic images, remove backgrounds, upscale, colorize, edit photos like Photoshop, thumbnails, logos, game assets, you name it. 10 fast generations daily, then unlimited in relax mode. CapCut dropped an AI powerhouse, Dreamina. Create images and videos with a single prompt. Layer-based editing like Photoshop, AI avatar generator. And the 10-second videos, they look like full-blown motion graphics with music and effects. Want to sound like an expert in your niche? Use Semantic Scholar, a 100% free academic search engine. The same one top-paid AI tools secretly rely on. Get real science. TLDR summaries, metrics, citations, no fluff, no filters. Just elite source-based research. For deep thinkers, AI 2-Paper Finder. Think of it like Semantic Scholar on steroids. It ranks search results by relevance, scores them, and leads you directly to the best source. It's precision research, minus the noise. Next, Riverside's AI transcriber. Drag, drop, done. Free caption files for YouTube, TikTok, podcasts, and more. Magic Clips is your TikTok Reels Shorts cheat code. Upload a long video, and Magic Clips finds the most viral moments and edits them for you. Cut, crop, subtitles. All AI-powered? Yes, there's a watermark, but you're getting free viral content on autopilot. Finally, Google AI Experiments. Over 30+ live tools in beta. Try their upcoming video generators, songwriting AI, and even Flow, their hidden gem for AI filmmaking. These aren't just tools, they're weapons, they're leverage. While others are waiting for the next tutorial, creators like you are building content systems that scale. If you want more viral AI tools, hit that like, subscribe,